coconut versus almond. Both are delicious, nutrient-packed, and widely used in diets around the world. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sophia, and welcome to Daily Tips, your go-to channel for quick, science-backed health advice. From nutrition hacks to simple lifestyle changes, I'll help you stay fit, healthy, and full of energy every day. Subscribe now and start your journey to a better you, one tip at a time. Today, we're comparing two popular foods often praised for their healthy fats, coconut versus almond. Both are delicious, nutrient-packed, and widely used in diets around the world. But when it comes to being the healthier fat source, which one should you choose? Let's find out. Let's start with coconut. Coconut is rich in saturated fats, especially medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. These fats are unique because the body can quickly convert them into energy instead of storing them as fat. MCTs may help boost metabolism, support brain function, and even aid in weight management when consumed in moderation. Coconut also contains antioxidants and minerals like manganese, which support bone health. However, because it's higher in saturated fats, eating too much coconut may not be ideal for heart health. Now, let's talk about almonds. Almonds are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the same type of heart-healthy fats found in olive oil. These fats are known to lower bad cholesterol, improve heart health, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Almonds are also packed with vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber, which support skin health, brain function, and digestion. Unlike coconut, almonds are lower in saturated fats and higher in nutrients that directly benefit long-term heart health. So, which one is the healthier fat source? If you're looking for quick energy and metabolism support, coconut and its MCTs are a great option in small amounts. But for overall heart health, cholesterol control, and balanced nutrition, almonds are the clear winner. In fact, studies consistently show almonds as one of the best nuts for long-term health. So here's the verdict. Coconut offers quick-burning fats, while almonds provide long-term heart-protective fats. The best choice depends on your needs. Coconut for quick energy, almonds for overall wellness, and of course, you don't have to pick just one. A mix of both in moderation can give you the best of both worlds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy food comparisons. See you in the next video.